Listen to how damn loud this new four-wheeler is. I smell valves burning. I smell. You smell that shit?
There's no exhaust on it.
Man, it smells a little bit more than just exhaust right there.
No exhaust.
It's like goddamn burning oil. So that shit smells like.
As Zach said, without the exhaust on, it's gonna burn the valves.
I wonder how long it's been like that.
Repo kit's only $60.
Here, hey, I'm videoing. I want to hear how loud it is. God damn. That thing is fucking stupid loud.